Bunge ya kati muthanyani wa mundi lia vitukithia amemba 11 manza mayimwana ile kwithiwa ikunikila uvaluku na uvungu ula withitovo ndini wa minister muveani wa Urimi Mithika Linturi amane wa mithenya 10 kukana livoti mwana na ila kwithiwa itha kwa ndini wa mbunge ino. Mwandiki wa Movo Benjamin Mwaka ni wa kutuelezea mbeangi.
Food basket.
Mbunge ni avitukithia kuseuva kwanza maimwana ya kukunikila mutalatala wa kukuthwa kuma ofisini kwa minister wa Urimi Mithika Linturi. Mutalatala wono ulosukumitwe ni muyimbi wa Bumula Jack Wamboka wakwata kule akwitikilia nzama imwana kuma kwa ayumbe yana imwe na miongo 36 maliana nayo vala 3 mali akwikonya na isesothi ya kula ki miao ya mbunge ayumbe yana imwe na 13 ni maile konya na kula eno kana mutalatala kusonga nambe.
It is about standing with the smallest of farmers who do not even afford money, but the only mistake they do is to trust government, that they trust a government agency. They trust National Cereals and Produce Board. They trust the President of the Republic of Kenya. They trust that government cannot give them a raw deal. Honorable Speaker, they go and purchase fertilizer from National Cereals and Produce Board, a national agency, a government agency. It turns out that they've purchased sand, they've purchased rocks. It is a moral question, Honorable Speaker. I do not know how anyone in their sound mind can want to side with such a rogue minister.
Zamaye mwana ya amemba 11 na ila yekiwa tik ni ayumbe kumwika kithimini minister Linturi na kunenga na livoti yake bino mtheme 10 ukite bina amemba 3 mangaliko ya serikali anakuma kwa angaliko ya Azimio na umekuma kwa chama cha Jubilee. Amemba manza maini ayumbe Naomi Wako, muyumbe wa Kathiani Robert Mbui, Recho Nyamai wa chama cha Jubilee ni muyumbe wa Kitwichethio, muyumbe wa Roraka TJ Kajwang, Dongo ya Kakirinyaga Njeri Maina kati wa ange.
If today you reject the list, it could easily be interpreted to amount to you are resting the matter where it is. And those are your consequences. They are not mine. It is the Constitution and the standing orders that guide what we are doing.
And when these cabinet secretaries were appointed, Mr. Speaker, I remember saying that this is going to go in the records of history as the most incompetent cabinet. And you can already see.
The question we ought to ask ourselves, Honorable Speaker, has the mover of this motion, Honorable Jack Wamboka, created or shown us that nexus between the person being removed from office as cabinet secretary and the alleged grounds of removal? And the straight answer, Honorable Speaker, is none.
If the president wants to know the real saboteur in his cabinet, he should point at Honorable Mithika Linturi. Our farmers, if you get a low yield this year, or your crop fails, point at the face of Honorable Mithika Linturi.
Amwe mayumbe 10 lembetani ya ukamba yumeenda minister Mithika Linturi evetange wiani kwitene vandu vakwetela kule akumwinucha maiweto nenanya uwe mbungeni wina misingi yaki chama wanavanini. Ayumbe ani maweta aingi mama minister serikali ni ao yunimeenda kwisulia musuoni uono kana kunenga nda ya mwenembi valamba mukanya minister wa Witi onake Mwandu Susan Nakumicha onake eyombanye kumano na mavaluku alamba ende kukumbila sekta ya Witi vakuvimia yeleo yu.
No mwende we ndeleba nduiza kuambia blame conductor. Ndeleba ni wedo atu aithetie ngali. Minister ni watu aithetie ministry ya Urimi kana ya agriculture. Kwa blame game ya kwaza kana andolama na ina makosa na anduma National Cereal Board. Isu na ilaitwa scapegoat. Koza kakoyoka la kanini no itie koyola nene yende na utubea.
Ona waziri wa health itaase nake kasange nikana mino nengo sheet na madaktari nikana mazioke mande na kuita ndo maitu huo nake chuma jake kio bandu kibwana kikileletwe utu ambao mamina na issue no nikana zile ita technology onezi legal team opposition ite unoloja serikali zaidi situ ite our main role ni oversight.
Farmers ingi kana mingi ni mana dhulumiwa muno nduthoka na Kenya na withauka na mbesa sio na wise kwithe ni waekwa umunthi twa kuna kura na Lunturi ni sikana ni wenuka uyu ni wowe kwacho witu kana Lunturi ni wale kuma bisini nundu ndwandikwa uya na weyambia kuthauka na wiyosu unengetu kila kingi ndonyo weta ni kana ala monde ma pointi weta ma CS male kutha kumana kana mebu nundu wa mwenendi na mele kwika yulu undu mwenendi ukwenda lakini tundu lamu makwenda
ukunikili wa ikundi ya Tifa kwi umundi weweta kana gatwa maminista onde meongwele na Eli Linturi niwe minister ukusitie ena grade ya E kumanwa na mauvalu kumaundu muvya wake unongamie wanyo ambole atho wa munini kilingisi kila chelekele kumwino cha mbunge ni oyu kuma vamya koni ya mbunge Musino Ilovi ndilivote vilingwa mauvonye nito Benjamin Mwakam.